How to view and delete your incognito history on Android. This tutorial shows you how to check active incognito sessions and clear them from your device. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, tap the square tabs icon at the top right to open your tab overview. After that, tap the Incognito tab at the top to switch to your incognito sessions. This shows you any incognito tabs that are currently open. At this point, you can go through the open incognito tabs to see what was browsed during that session. Following this, to close and clear all incognito tabs at once, tap the X on each tab individually, or tap the three dots at the top right and select Close All Incognito Tabs. Once done, all active incognito sessions will be closed and the browsing activity from those tabs will be wiped. Keep in mind that Incognito Mode does not save your browsing history, cookies, or site data once the tabs are closed, so there is no stored history to view after the fact. The only way to see what was browsed is while those incognito tabs are still open. If